Okay. Lightning Strike News with anchors Aiden, Storm, and Annie Sell. Sports commentary with Willie Thunder and Nathan Nara with the whip.
Welcome back to Lightning Strike News. I'm Aiden Storm.
And I'm Annie Sell.
Now we're going to head right into sports with Willie Thunder.
Hello, I am Willie Thunder, and this is sports section of our broadcast. And we will head right into last night's shocking clips. We will be right back after this. See the difference in the weather between South Central United States and Nevada. How people will film every thunderstorm that happens in Nevada. But the only ones the South Central will film are the storms that could tear the roof off your house and put you knee-deep in the water. Because Nevada doesn't get as much rainfall and is drier and less humid as the humid tropical region now as the South Central United States. Because of the dreaded rain shadow effect, Nevada's arch nemesis, the reason Nevada is deprived of the weekly showering that is sometimes so desperately needed, and this is why Nevada is the way it is.
We'll be back with more late-breaking news after these messages. Weird things have been happening lately.
How's that?
I'll show you. Give me your Dorito. You ready? Okay, you're gonna step back, alright?
Mine!
See what I mean? Now we gotta get out of here, though.
Right.
Because you don't steal someone's food.
It can't be that good.
Good
Okay.
kid.
Run! Wow, these are pretty good. Due to budget cuts, we had to send our anchor to New Orleans to report how the hurricane is doing. Over to you, Aiden.
Well, it appears that the hurricane is really taking its toll on New Orleans. And I know this because you people sent me here. Well, the locals are all safe and sound as far away as possible from the place in which I am standing.
So now that you've learned how weather changes, why don't you tell us?
Well, that man over there, as he was screaming at Mother Nature, began to tell me about the low and high pressure systems and how if there was a gap in our air, the air will come and try to fill in the gap. During this process, the water cycle is taking place and creating clouds that are moved around by the air to the low pressure zones where it might rain. So if you are in a low pressure zone, you can expect to maybe have some precipitation.
Thank you, Aiden. Now it's time for weather.
Wait, aren't you guys coming to get me?
Hello, welcome to weather. Brought to you by
Doritos! Doritos.
Okay. For New Orleans, Louisiana, the high is 80 degrees and the low is 62 degrees, and it's cloudy down there. For El Paso, Texas, the high is 83 degrees and the low is 63 degrees, and it's still sunny. For Montgomery, Alabama, it would be 82 degrees and the low is 60 degrees, and it would be sunny. For Jacksonville, The high is 88 degrees and the low is 64 degrees, and it's still sunny. For Nevada, it's about 92 degrees and it's mostly cloudy.
That's all for today.
See you next time on Lightning Strike News.
Lightning Strike News with anchors Aiden Storm and Annie Sell. Sports commentary with Willie Thunder and Nathan Narog with the weather.
Welcome back to Lightning Strike News. I'm Aiden Storm.
And I'm Annie Sell.
And now we're going to head right into sports with Willie Thunder. Don't record it. That last part. You're gonna stop it right after.
Oh.
You're gonna stop recording it.
That's all for today.
See you next time on Lightning Strike News.
Yep.
Well, it appears that the hurricane is really taking its toll on New Orleans. And I'm not just saying that because you people sent me here! Stop, dude.
No.
Oh, from where I'm standing, right?
That's
Lightning Strike News with anchors Aiden